Hello. Hey. 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 Don't play the money now. Yeah. Next side. Yeah, waistline God. Don't play. Yeah. Hey. The best thing this guy.
They are with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Think of chattings?
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the brightest, so
Pang, pang, boom! And the king, though.
yeah, guys. So come out for cook with breakfast. I don't know what decide for fall rain,
So
but guess what?
We are cooking a rain and the umbrella together.
That now stop our cooking because food have to go in our belly. So
and
see what have we set up. Yeah, so see we have we little set up around the sauce. So just make we jump right into the cooking. King I got just start catch the fire. Me and him alone today. Make we just get right tonight.
We don't want to call out nobody today, you know. So we just have to deal with the real and proper way.
Yes, guys, and if you're new, remember to click that subscribe button, turn that gray, turn the notification bell to all, and remember, drop a banger like and leave the comments down below. So let us jump right in the cooking.
Soon forward.
Soon forward. Yes, guys, so I have King. I chop up the fire stick.
Get a good machete, guys. This not good. Get good machete for the land.
Yeah, we need a machete. But yeah.
It a work.
You want to try if it a work? Come by, make we try it pan you.
You serious?
You want to try if it a work? Come by, make we try it pan you. Yes, guys. We now have Mr. Drew here today. I just me and King alone, you know? And rain a fall.
No, call out nobody out of them.
Yeah. I don't know if you know see the raindrops in the camera, but
them sticky all kind of wet in but
tough work though.
I'm not chicken right there. Food we cook.
Work we are work.
Go on one side.
Yeah, use your foot, yeah, baby. So you think so this is gonna be enough, love?
Yeah, man. Put the fried dumpling and some curry chunks. The shrimps. You don't know the shrimps in earlier.
You know what the thing go?
Well, a Pepsi, you may talk on the people then.
Alright. So go well a Pepsi. Guys, I'm showing you the setup over here so while King and try set the fire right? So we have, you know, umbrella because we can't get the food them wet up. All of we are gonna need our pumpkin, our curry, our flour, all of that good stuff. Our veggie chunks right there, so yeah. Want to try light it now?
Yeah, sponge wet for you know?
Everything wetty. Jesus, guys, watch out. Rain, I don't know if you not see it, but see it. Rain a come, you see that? Raindrops. Rain a come. But guess what? We not go eat because the outside we're there. Outside the thing, they don't know where you like do the light. You find it? Alright. I wonder if this is going to work. I could see fire go catch in a rain and the place are wet up. You think it will work? I could see no? Drop a bang and comment down below if you think this will work, guys. First, I see people catch fire in a rain. No, I see rain and wet up the fire, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Have to work. Mr. King there. Yeah, guys, I see fire catch up. So forward, guys, so forward. So we're there, you don't know what rain, a fall, and we are like the fire. I could see if it go light in a rain, guys.
Can work, man.
Yeah, man.
Food them wet though.
Oh,
Work, man.
Yeah, man.
Food them wet though.
Fire stick, brother. Why for your hood? Remember him would have said that to me?
Yo, the stick them wet dog.
Where?
Yo, yeah, so now man, back up, man.
Why pon that, youth?
Stick them wet, man. Rain and fall, you see me? So it goes in the while, you know?
Boy. Don't follow him here, guys. Rain that I come back again.
I go work that time. Second attempt this you know.
Second attempt.
Time I go work. Sponge now feel with the plastic.
Chemical from the plastic to make it work. Alright. Yeah guys, serious of them there wet up. I don't know if you not see it, but wet up. But me could go and try with them, you know.
If you work on it, go look more and any other stick you get to go wet down.
Yeah, cause rain a fall.
See if this can put the curry chunks on the fried dumpling.
Yeah guys, but see what we have here? We chunks right here, so we have with all those good stuff. We Maggie, you don't know Maggie the right way for go. Flour, you don't know the shape, so yeah, our umbrella can't make the food get wet up. Can't afford that. But the fire come on strong and nice though. Storm come up, you know, that's why we are get storm come up, you know, that's why we are get so much rain, people. So you know we have to go do now is this. Make sure you stabilize your roof, put up important documents and all of that. You break down that little more? Alright.
Come on, you catch fast.
Okay.
So you can get the ball rolling.
Alright then. Boy guys, you don't know, you know. You see me tell about them something here. You see Sunday hungry, rain hungry and holiday hungry. Hottest hungry them me know about. Rain hungry and holiday hungry. Hottest hungry them me know about. Hush. Careful. Yeah guys, them hungry them me know hottest hungry them there.
The stick them kind of wet. You see what I say to you? Hold out the fire a little longer.
No sir. What you say?
I got the stick them kind of with you. Hold out on the fire.
Alright then. Yeah guys, but see it a come on nice. Hopefully it not out. Can't have that. Broke up some more there.
Can you eat that?
Should they inside?
I go see my dog. You're sure now?
Yeah guys, we are going to catch up the fire. So when we catch up the fire the real way, we are catching it back down. So forward. Yeah guys, you know the regular. Mud up the pot. The one this black up. Easy removal. If you didn't know, now you know. Fire blaze around the back there, so.
So like a boil the chunks guys.
Yeah.
While the chunks are going to boil.
Go and make up the flour.
And prepare the thing them for the chunks. So.
Really swear that can't get no realer than this.
Alright. See that? No dirt there in the pot.
Clean. Turn on the pipe, baby. Alright, you see that? Fire blaze, you know. King I wash off him hand. Some water in the pot.
Guys, the one here got epic. I don't know, normal. The one
Yeah.
here monumental. It needs to document. If you drink, I get a special. If you aroma.
It's the aroma.
Sure.
No, sir. Yeah, guys, you don't know. Make water go and boil up. Then we add in chunks. You don't know. We are going in the meantime. Go and make up the dough. But how no I do? We realize you love the outdoor series. So we are give it to you guys. And remember, follow our cooking channel. Cooking with Chef Reid and Chef Alexander. Over there. All professional. And I add salt.
Some people put the chunks in a boiling water. Some people put it to soak in a warm water. But me I add it from the water cold. Because as the water boil up, I take it off.
Ready, yeah.
So this is not normal. Watch it in. Take it in.
Watch it in, take it in, yeah guys.
Come on, man. Come like sure.
Yeah guys.
Put the water.
Yeah man, could do a light.
No, no.
Sure?
When that's all up, it's all up.
Alright then.
Just have additives, you know?
Yeah. See it there guys? Chunks. What you know about chunks? Ackee and chunks. Curry chunks.
Brown stew.
What you know about
White
this?
stew, black stew.
Every stew. What you know about this guys? So we are going to make this come to a boil.
Remove
Then a removal.
You know what I mean? Come in over here, sir.
Start with the making up of the dough, because you don't know, fried dumpling and curry chunks. Really sweet though. And we have a piece of pumpkin.
You go over there, sir. Under the umbrella with the now, guys.
So we done to umbrella from a longer time though.
Because we have to make it look good for the tube, you know. Away. Breakfast in about, guys. Rain come down.
For breakfast, but rain come down.
Storm out there from the water.
Storm. Make sure you not put up on the important documents, them on the bird paper, on the TRN, on the picnic clinic card. Bank information, put them up. Bag take long, man.
Wanna tie this tight?
Tie. Real tie. Alright then.
I use half of this.
Half a flour?
4 pounds.
You sure?
Yeah, man. You want to remember some I got a little cornmeal and so forth.
Alright then.
So I don't want to rasta. If I have a little meal in I can hold it flour. You know the chefs?
Yeah.
Alright, so I got in the meal and
Then there will.
oh, miracle. What a miracle.
Yeah. It's gonna take a miracle.
If you overthrow the king, you know.
Alright.
Alright. Cornmeal. Baking powder, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, this to a pound of flour, 1 tablespoon. This is just enough, guys. Maggi salt.
Maggi salt. Salt in our Maggi wackle, guys.
Just enough.
Just enough. Just a little
nowadays we have a
toops.
little sweet too.
Just a little toops of sugar. Whoop. Camera drop, guys. So what I want today?
A little.
Mix it in. Get all that baking powder dissolved. Don't know. Evenly distributed.
But you see no fingernail.
Clean too. Show them again.
Always clean like a guitar wash said you know.
Just the same, you don't know. Remember guys, in everything you do you have to look out for food, health and safety. Make sure you do the right thing. Keep your fingernails short and clean.
Wash off.
Yeah guys, so see the flour there? Ready up quick and simple. And tell us in the comment section how you make your fried dumpling. You know you can add a little butter and all of that good stuff. But we not add that guys. Today.
No want it, you know?
See King and wash off him hand there guys. Now we have a rubbish pan over there so for throw away what we don't need. So we are like about the pipe and you use the water. Why I don't know what King I deal with. So we are like at the pipe, I move all the hose for you. Yeah, I don't know what I deal with. Exactly, full it in a that. Pull up the water in a that. Alright, we don't need no more than that. Not even gonna need so much.
Overdo it.
But still, see it full up that stuff now. Yeah guys. See the water there. Nice and clean. I don't like the water dirty so guys. You see that? I water dirty, no water commission, no go on, what not do? Water look dirty, man. Yeah, guys. As I told you before, our flour mixture for our fried dumpling. How you make yours? You add a little butter, little that, a little. Comment it down in the comment section. I know say you want some of this, you know. I know you want some of this, but guess what? The big bad event will come up, so you just show out and support the thing. Though?
When you see the water then I think of that money that I use when you get trick. Ice water I think that guys.
Yeah. Why you use ice water, chef? Tell them.
Alright, ice water keep a crunch on the outside and have it smooth on the inside.
Moist and nice and fluffy.
Yeah, crunch.
If you never know, now you know.
First, add the cook.
Yeah, add the water gradually, guys.
Get the mix it in like how you mix up dumpling. You know you make fritters. Saltfish dumpling. Yeah.
Check what I'm going for pot over there, son of love.
Start bubble already.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
See that? Can come off though.
Hot potty, who bounce it out?
Here say a girl get thump in her mouth. Rest it up this up our counter.
Rinse off the handle for them.
Yeah.
Alright.
Retire the spoon you know, doll, baby love.
This kind of small, so you see me rock it every time you see me make it. You know guys?
Yeah.
More ice water.
If you never yet use ice water, guys, try it. Remember, you're gonna love it. Remember me did tell you, you know.
I want Anna do it too guys. You know,
You piece of the dance, no, chef? You know, hear what I want? Yeah. Tipping at it. And, hey, the man of the dirt locking up. Hey, don't play with my dancer. Shana.
Hey, dancing dynamite next year guys. That one is epic.
Don't play with my dancer. That you have to know. Let me I tell you. Hey. 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 Don't play the money now. Yeah. Next side. Yeah, waistline God. Don't play. Yeah. Hey. The best thing this guy is my king.
You know now man. I enter dancing dynamite next year.
Yeah man.
You're so nice guys.
Nowhere else. Put our eye. Pat over this so multitask. Get a close up on the flour. Yeah guys, see there? Coming together nicely, right? Yeah guys, so we are catching up back when flour properly need. And a time for do the frying was so forward.
Soon forward.
Yeah guys, so you see King this add the oil to the pot. You don't want too much oil, just enough, right?
And a deep fry, we are deep fried, and a chicken.
We just want enough. See that?
You just spruce up about the fire, you know, put some stick on that.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. Watch out.
Making up of the dumpling, you know. Okay, you strain off your chunks.
Yeah.
Bad chef. Alright then. Look at that guys. You see how it swell up when did I tell me about?
So imagine if I use the whole light.
Enough up. Meanwhile, Patagon, at you know you have to multitask. Bad flip. Bad chef. No, sir. Oh, you want bad, sir, boy? Yes, guys. Eat back.
Some chunks of cardboard, but cardboard can't swell up, so.
Though?
Mash up. Alright, let me see what I go on. Set him aside for cool long.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, you want blind me.
Cover him up back. Get on with fried
Over
dumpling.
the
Press that pan top.
Right. Test water. You know if you test water country style?
Ready, man.
Alright.
Can start make up your flour, you know?
This.
Yeah.
That's what I want them to do.
They're about.
And we're not going to do sexy.
Aye. As we make we are Japan, guys.
I'm not put on something. Yard style, but out the door.
Yeah. Make on Japan. The sun kinda come back out now. So kinda glad for that. You don't know guys, every step you take you have to wash your hand, and King did wash him hand. Notice you not see no flour upon him hand? Yeah, that's have for you, Stacy and Gail. Who else wants some?
The Ashantaya one.
Ashantaya, you want some of this? That dumpling there for you. Write your name on it. Yeah. Yeah, Chelsea, you take practice, girl. You watch? You catch what one?
So this is fire on a limited balance.
Yeah. Not too high, I couldn't see it.
Medium heat. We turn it down like a stove.
Aye! Yeah. Yeah, that's for King James.
John, I'm gonna carry out the fire.
I have to make what we have work, man. Chefs are magicians, you know. You know that? Angels. Yeah.
So we got to work, man. And a chicken we are jerk.
None at all.
Dumpling we are fry.
Food we are cook. Girl, you better can cook. You know that song there? Think you're there for your pretty
I
looks.
want to see Chef Alexander in action. Go over the page. Chef
Yeah,
Reid and
guys.
Chef Alexander.
You know, sir, yeah, I always king a cook, though.
Guys, I love my wife. I don't want she. I do even certain things.
Don't want to.
Guys, I love my wife. I don't want she. I do even certain things.
Don't want to look up preps in the empire side, yeah.
A style bun no nice.
See what I want for your pot, no? Yeah, man. Ashanta here, year one day. Chelsea. Stacey and Gail.
This did be breakfast, but I like my clock now.
So lunch. Them a cook nice and easy. That we want. We don't want them cook too fast and then the inside no cook. You don't know, you have to balance the thing.
That's why you have to turn down the wood fire, guys.
Turn down the fire. Bad chef I tell you.
Wipe on the wood fire.
Why,
You have to
man?
Turn down the fire stick.